into Egypt for now. Obenya about 7 or 8 players are part of the previous squad. Sanity. But almost some coach from Hector Raul Cooper, on Oye defensive coach to Javier Aguero, who plays a more attacking game. Into the difference, 2 coaches now multi bench. But Ken, me feel say me who Egypt. If free me crowd bring plus Egyptian teams. Omunye team bobo to say West African for. They play for results. So what's the Egypt? Any Morocco no fleet or try some copy the West Africa type of play. You pass the ball, no, you move, you twitching, you not dying. And no one. You think I got to call it elderly boy within 15 minutes. Quick play, quick feet, direct football. Not born and inside the 18 box. Sanon Bobo. Into no Bobo, even with Barakat, Ahmed Hosni, and Hassan in Medford Kuano. Egyptian teams, let's say born or mobile. They are thinking of dominating. But 2 and 3, Omoma Hoye, Juma.
So, Enema, a very Egyptian flow, Enema, you was almost style of football, Moboni. In case of saying, you know, you games in Libya, proud to a tournament in Libya, qualifies in Libya. Yet, you know, Yakoye and Webia, you will be about on a slow border from the back. Now, transition, I've been thinking, but at times, they are quality players. Because now, I'm sorry, yen 2 goals na yeshene ya. I think that somehow individual brilliance and yeah, so be a creative chance will be coyering because the ball no share. I don't think there will be one shot a chance. Even Jordan the will see 10 a ball no. You know and it is always a game now. You should creative a chance pa. Yeah, ball. Said yeah, Abrofone ball must ball because apart from Doya, and your friend is Milo, and I mean who say or ball. Send the one goal project. Banner or a certain style, you boy your ball. You defend, you move for this, you move for the near strong. Then you're one big striker like a Samojan. As when you 2 chances of my 1 goal. Ain't ye boy a ball now. Ed didn't ball better Ghana net. Under Milo. So what you say? Or no penny your coach or bar Ghana moon say. As a Ghana, you need him saying, say, oh, her television no cry. We will go to Gaso, Yashabaki, who be intimate. Yeah,
Abraham Grant was a similar coach.
Organization says, "We Milo fewer." You be autistic.
Okay, on say, yeah, there be a defensive type of approach. They won't be baby. Me this tournament, the most organized team for me in Nigeria.
Nigeria.
Yes, say a team play with shape in all angles, almost have a balance. Show me first game. Who's a normal bench player? Yes, but they played. On first game, they almost bench Musa. They played. And almost bench Mikel. They played, and clearly, almost dominated to say the typical West African side. When say almost ball game, who say almost kitchen, almost passing, almost ball half. You don't see them that. But in terms of organization and strata and shape, and no Abraham Grant the mile. Say a bar, who say na ye ball. Pattern of play no, who say a dominated. Who's opponent is so dominating.
Okay.
But you're well organized. In 2 parts, the last 2 half, you have one or the coin. We were just organized on the field of play. Yes, say ye.
But pitchers.
Oh, a pitcher. So, try game.
Again, Benino. So they see players and that gap on the fire. Because Baby and Mohani between Jordan Dede.
Yes.
Anymore. The gap between Jordan Dede and the Wakasune
party.
No, as a
yes.
And
now 2. And they know boy 11 trend is Lumo. Can't gap and Lumo. Into check his agab. Now check and the yadom. And the no so then check his agab. Into gab and baby now close to I 4 and 5 no. And he says at 8 asa. Into clearly we don't play with shape.
Yenisa Milodiana. How's this happening today? And the walk. Left. And I jump in on one neighbor. The white time was all the income between John Pearson.
About income on him. See, she had him. I found so one who didn't know the left side of your defense now.
At the World Cup, the first game was Prince Tego. Tego now fun because he wanted to use Tego as a second striker from the wings. And I'm fat. The second striker from the right side. There's no team, so it was something like an inverse 4-4-2. But in defense now, the traditional 4-2-3-1. Prince Tego was operating from the wings as a supporting striker. In fact, the next game he shifted to Samuel Lincoln. So the target man became a Samuel Jan from the word goal. Send an Andy can with proper defensive shape. You can clearly see say Jan will be up front, not battle the opponent defenders. Now we jack the other players behind. But he had a player like Koja Samoa and Kevin Prince Watt, especially at the World Cup. Not me a perfect box to box job. Our team the ball ni pushing you. And in terms of defending, not me are they up. Ever one numbers no way defending. So organization and proper shape was Ghana's key asset. We concede less. So the back was very solid. Internal maybe say Akwesi philosophy. Because clearly Akwesi ball no boni nyina. You don't see much of an attacking football. Is it a football that deals with pace? And as it's a football that would sit back and defend and use the counter-attack approach. As a putogum shiogumbi. The baby biane fanasa. And I understand where you are coming from. I say when Makawa has said after day and now Bizam say the ball first game new year, you know. My best team, one I'm going to say because where players are not picking from different clubs and about together. We have time to rehearse and understand the pattern of playoff. Their national team coach in the Kendi bear 2 weeks. Which countries, majority of them are players near Mababeshia, bear 2 weeks of preparation.
But Robert, that is where my disagreement comes in. So the last time you know me doing now, Ghana the was 7 of the last AFCON. So we check it. Dr. Congo Mufri Munwe. No more is Ama Impeko, Cedric Bekambu, Jonathan Bolingi, Yannick Bolasi, Atamu Suaku in the last one. Now, Sawoko Senegal, the Khalid Koulibaly, Salif Sani, Sheko Koyate, Idrissa Gana Gueye, Keita Badi, Sadio Mane. Into the point we are making, check the Cameroonian team. Manjek, Christian Bassagog, Ken Opley and say, Ngadu, their goalkeeper, Ambrose Oyengo, their number 3. And almost young. And more young. Cameroon's almost 6. Right? So Maka Cameroon, Maka Ghana, Maka Egypt, Maka Senegal. Nigeria. Nigeria. Check it. The Cote d'Ivoire. Sergio Aurier was part of the squad. Wilfred Kano was part of the squad. James Chester was part of the squad. Sidi was part of the squad. Frankes was part of the squad. Mazi Gradel. Bonnie. Zaha. Okay. I'm saying that in as much as more days to train with the coach, you know, these are players in the last 2 years they've been playing for their national teams. In terms of
Andy, I'm just explaining why generally you should expect an improved performance from every country in the second game than the first game. And let me explain.
And that is my disagreement because from the word go they've been part of.
No, Andy, you can be part, but this is how it is. There are some of the countries on my changes in the coaches. Ivorian team now changes in the coach. Egypt I change. Cameroon same thing. And yes, the same coach in the previous edition. And since I have a kakra, so you can have a core of the players. But one, they are moving from a new league and as a different club philosophy to a national team philosophy with different players and a different weather and different style of play. It's mostly and found until America just said Cameroon for now because one enjoy more in the first game. No, expect a different Cameroonian side in the second game. The same thing applies to almost all the countries because after your first game, no, the level of understanding will improve. Than time and now prepare. Because Ghana say you go Dubai, I feel you go prepare babo bako. I feel the coach na who seem to on the team no ye. So definitely we should expect an improved side. That's why Egypt for now show more in the first game. No, you are seeing a different Egyptian side and a more improved and better Egyptian side than we saw today. And then you know. So Nigeria for now they
I just say Egyptians are lucky because Obi and Omar Tracy a chance, but now he's their best player. He's Obi Abeja to.
Ken last AFCON he was super.
Because born at Tracy Bono. And then says our Bono. Obi and himself Salah eba bedi. It is omutim na the ama Egyptians no ya ye ho. I say emergence of AS player no. Aye Tracy. Say nya Salah nkwan na ho ye dey.
And run ne assist no the man Salah na. It's an assist of the year. Because baby your pick ball on the free. And then also can play your chimba kuchimi no. na onya a bit of physical battle otimi lose the balance otimi lose the composure enti ebia the delivery after so what you player you can any good but this is a player the successful dribble was on point and then the balance the pace or Sandy can when and the final delivery to locate Mohamed Salah at that particular point in time, maybe Ghana Salah. The good thing a man about the goal here say, also can sometimes play a bit me here, you know, they are moving about him. At the end of the day, that particular hard worker player and ye free or the man, the striker no boss and ain't na hype no. But so we here, you know, the Komobi, no compliment to effort in the ball to a trema. And we are seeing you know who are Jumana or yeah. And that was Adiaba Kwasala, Mamma Niji. Because he completed a perfect hard work assist from Abrante friend Mohamed Trezeguet. And the American said the understanding will be there. Because and my Egyptian met a tougher opponent than their first game. But we saw an improved Egyptian side. So Nigeria, in their game against Burundi, it was a bit dull. Just that we were saying it's a Burundi for they were tactically disciplined. That half spaces are mostly teams in Ketwane Boboa. Most of my spaces are to omu bonum. Now the experience one not from one someone. Ya said they won't be until that particular mistake by audio Igalo punish them. So against Guinea, we were thinking Nigeria for never sweating more. But yesterday you could see them very, very focused, very, very disciplined. Perfect tackles, perfect interceptions. And Kenokai said last week Saturday. Me talking about the Nigerian midfield together with the Ghanaian midfield and now say Nigeria for a peculiar from from the anymore. Ghana the end crowd was rich on. And now you saw the changes. Our coach in here.
But so we Nigeria. Nigeria should 2 goals. Me can't say Paba on Ghana 18 is the same. Nigeria should 2 goals. They are more run of 16 this year. How much 2 goals? Ghana has 2 goals. And I'm saying, so the point is that your problem now is that you share any money and fin because I also 2 goals.
Now consider
in the tournament of 90 minutes football. Now all your top country now say 2 goals. Now consider 2. And when you say Ghana, bet match beyond 3. Beyond 4 goals. Into 2 goals because Nigeria say 1 goal first game. Omo ntimi anteka wa wene. Second game was 1. Opponent ntimi anti. Yeah, 1 game you say 2.
Opponent share 2.
Opponent ntimi. So that's the difference.
So Ken, that is the brilliance of the manager. And the philosophy of the manager. And the project of the manager at the bench. Clearly, we're checking the team now we say they can have names up front, but the ability to break opponents be off them.
So I didn't have question like give my ball and hand on. Because I think it's the best team idea tournament recently. I got an APG 2010. I know
2010 wasn't a good team.
That be the World Cup.
2010 was a good manager.
But now we have a good team.
No.
At the World Cup.
No, at the AFCON.
And I make about the World Cup.
At the World Cup.
Until we say team, no say the association at that time. Any GD and Ghana for say 2010
group pa.
So what you say? Dear na we no lucky. And at that time na kwesi say assistant.
So
and I know no assistant.
No.
And Amiro. The dear na so you know right. E fa na.
Ken so sha. Tournaments are not won with individuals. They are same by the same by the Tanaka say UEFA Champions League for instance. For 1 player and UEFA Champions League. The found individual every win tournament. Tournaments are won with compact team. You bet me about tournament be not the watching. So I can single-handedly pick players, but I could be standing out and be a bedding. By every team with proper understanding. I dear back one of them say bear Ghana for key assets. Oh, AFCON, yeah, never more GD or Blasters team no 18 work. And Mekana Makasa say I was expecting teamwork to prevail at the Blasters. There will be little mistakes. Because the level of exposure individual players a Gina Blasters team no one. I was so the level of tax, challenges, battles coach or team bench are facing I was so into only any new person will game room. Because you are new. We are coaching out to the World Cup level.
even as an assistant coach, he was supposed to provide ideas to the main coach facing some big opponents in Africa as an assistant coach. Unless he be a fan assistant coach not one or cause cones or training grounds. Never say uncle training grounds cause cones with ya. Then time or assistant coach is believed to say there were some decisions and not coaching here, no my input. So tactical input from the days as an assistant coach to the day as the head coach on why in charge. Or the AFCON or the World Cup or the Asabo qualifies. And let's not forget, and your friend will be picky team no, or the team no World Cup qualifies and the AFCON qualifies. And the challenge is beyond can be expected to coach be facing both tactically, both technically, even game management. Akwasi Appiah should be on top. And in case Akwasi Appiah when say AFCON you need enough game changes. Players who can hold on to the ball and within a twinkle of an eye, no achieve 3 players, no akoba to atemi and said any. It's teamwork and cohesion should be our strength. From the back. From the back. Not just from the middle. From the back. Because there's the 1 goal project. I'll wait me I say 1 goal, no abohoban. And if you don't concede and you score 1, you are heading towards 3 points. And to get team no dey expect say she's sending free with compact, with proper understanding, proper positional sense. Because she kind of goes you concede here. At the back, when lucky pie, positional sense and positional awareness at the back. And then say no now can say. There were times and I said under the day you in the back about what the help at the back. She first go a potty about what me say. Where was Kasim no? That was a major issue. And so she Ghana 2 friendly games are. You boy against Namibia, and the boy against South Africa. You consider just 1 goal. That was the game against Namibia. And now you want to say, okay, see about 2 games now consider 1 there. Then you go crown our level because in 90 minutes now consider 1 a good start. So I question we just have to improve the attack. And now you kind of form major headache because about 2 games now go, but you consider 1. See, you know, so okay, the rate at which we will concede, as we now can name one. I can see working on it. But clearly, after the first game, BPA Baba there said we may be talking about Akwasi Appiah tactically. But can I say you feel Ibrahim Tanko so kakra? Because Tanko is also supposed to add up to the tactical brains of Akwasi Appiah.
As an assistant.
Yes, as an assistant. Tanko was part of the Cameroonian national team as an assistant coach.
Yeah, so very well there. So as assistant coaches, I have a little more.
Can I say a value?
I say a Jumano Ebetoa.
Can I say I see a value?
The BBI is all about the manager.
Can you
final decision?
You can't. But you expect to say when the going gets tough, now coach not to bench they find a new swap. And so be in a very calm state. It's man a good advice. So in our next game, it shouldn't be just Akwasi reading the game. Tanko must also contribute. And so that we see a better decision making from coach Akwasi Appiah. Better because your first game, the defense was not stable. Especially so 2 in the trainer. Me who Juma Papa be on in the game. The only bright side with defense, Kasim no assist no yeah. And that was even an assist on the initiating an attack. The Obofa Benin defense because of the high level defense are now my and a gap can see that the last man of the Benin defense and their goalkeeper. I ultimately located the run of Jordan Ayew. Emma the right pass at the right space. Emma Jordan Ayew. That was the only brilliant moment. And another one was the coming in of Jonathan Mensah. Jonathan Baye so no. Yes, we considered, but clearly Jonathan Baye now said we were down 1 man. And pressure no na born by so. But as I know, man, the confidence to become kaka. So I'm expecting say we will see an improved defensive shape in our second game. Because we cannot afford to fail against Cameroon. Especially with how the defense will read the area balls. Because born here, both fail, Ghana defense need to meet him. And you're going to meet a Cameroonian side. Are strong. They will battle you. And to Akwasi Appiah should be looking at it. And you can see how Cameroon for them also. Promotion 2-0. The only thing they have to do now is to manage Ghana and she go. Or shall one or you free. So Akwasi Appiah should improve his defense. And especially
The middle. Creativity in the middle was a big challenge. And now I can never say yeah, who the work from party. And we are talking about the gap between the day you and the party came. You cannot eat your cake and have it. Ultimately, what they die you as a supporting striker. Say on bench or than you not all the second boss ever drop non pick it. No one saw expected the day you say. Obesa drop put deep abe pick ball as I push it. Ultimately, you juma me no free no. Because what she gave me ya. Basically, now said the day you was acting as the second striker, very close in the penalty area box. Every second ball be able to be on fire. About the sir, I said timer. Send an accord to go for town. What's the name? I can't put back for town. You can't continue. Because who expected for town to be bench striker? At the same time, we expected the one drop back close to the center half and some picky bomb push. Want me as man.
Okay, man, the Mraka Crandy. As I say, near my war and change and say, later on, I can because there's a tournament in the shall say. I think the Ghanaians be pretty calm about the coach. I don't know what to say, so yeah, especially a game again coming.
Okay, first of all, I agree. Men are married this seminar, I said, born coach, and the Bomaka. Dr. Congo for no coffee, don't place no cranom here foreign coach, or menti, Tinom coffee. It's coaching a very key in the AFCON. But Ken, I did back and say, ya can't coach because you are your bonnet to be my boy. I'm the freelance and the business there. Whom you. But place no bobon. That's your job. Place no bobon. He'll be uncle once, meaning the own hair. I kosia na. Enye match na na de tactics we ne. Enye match ni na. Your match go hard to the coach no who's a level that now. But the players will play their heart out and clearly will get a result for you. Came here sure. Says they was here do a cash who are picking ahead of indeed in the game. Born or boy no disappointed. And your coach no so be catch on pick it up. Said they was here did party who ha. So a star player. Born or boy against a Chelsea a madam. Oh no ball let go on the moon that level. What disappoint you? It implies the player should back up. Lumo said you see she na no. First of all last time on she is ada. O she pa. He is going to play against a better player. Baby Lumo dano. Cameroon found you onim bopa hono beda. Basagog no hono beda. No she on science. He still had those skills. E woni boot to him. I go so at champion for tournament. You need an improved performance from him on the left. And that's how they are. You Beni Adimi in the end, you come in San and I. Say Luma and Tinia, I put the game no, from the previous one. You will be
so plan on Lumon in the same because one a true time tracking back. Sorry, given the time that you call it to Norma or Mame Buano. Also, quite welcome. So sorry, first go now. Made a mistake. And from the central defenders, meaning in Nakamo. Plan and it's between your house and the party. Not just say what house mum and not tell you cover be a lumo. Or cover what I said was Sashi team no. Say the coach is Sashi team no. Say a true ma, not a lumo, one as a vessel.
Ken,
the two central defenders.
Our game plan, I should come back.
And yes, a two central defenders will be
able to agree that Manjack Mobile expose you in midfield. We are playing against an experienced side. Ah, my boy have gone players on the previous have gone on Bobby, and it's all my mobile. We are playing against an experienced side. Currency of Unyahu baby. But I'm saying that team na any no experience. What did cup of nation 5 times or you defending champion? The players now moji and the big one. They know how to exploit the midfield. And again, Achu should come back. He is not a prima donna. On your name, on your mercy, he should come back. And this area, the coach needs to deploy a different system. Unfortunately, your system with your money, sir. We can have triangular shape on the left to stop the movement of Basagog. But can your money, sir? In the area, your bonus as a number 2 now are saving than him. ye track back o sa 7 ne ba bebo 2 no say 3 11 jenanim say ye ba be defend ya o sa 11 ne bebo 3 no the moment you see at Abrante friend waka so shifting to the left the midfield will be exposed. Unfortunately ye two center backs no say the Nkrofo si hu no mi hu ne sa I say Kasim Ndiano can hybrid this performance overrated.
And seriously, me no ya again. Overrated. Because obi so obi a oje ball na ultimate pass ni. Na nya na how many balls no foul balls no? How many balls no buy and again oje ball from Benson.
Can the performance overrated.
Into the performance there say ball be do what the ultimate pass ball ni. But me hwe boy call your boss no nyina. Go to a time na they say omo mo ni mo ni biba. Ebe yi ball no some free. Ye ball corner kicker. Strikers in the same head the ball no field.
It can we are
going to ball by a boss no man na think akranti on fa no hunka players. E man mo say gentle. Ball no ba woni ball no ball. Or your ball playing ball playing center back. Or your ball no comfortable. But the ball you push here. How many times or ultimate day? Ultimate win the ball so be as a central defender.
It me and I make us me cock as me and I make us the performance was overrated. But he's a good player. Until he's going to play with Jonathan Mens. I mean, instead you say do the one uncle say ball. But again, he be a crane until he answers him in the row. And the coach will not count on him because of experience. Until a Juma was said, Market 2 and 3, and Juma said, the Cameroon always exploit from the flanks. Only very effective on that side. Until he pass it. Yeah, when guests don't need to support the fullback, say you defend there. And also on Bua. And when you coach in quantity, who play now on the field of play. And also who said that be. Baby, I'm done the way you can. So I need to support those players out there. The two center backs. We are going to play against Nyom, Christian Basagog, and Abrante, your friend Chipo Morten. Ken, all these players, apart from Basagog, Ubia is 6 feet. In terms of height, Omu will be par. In terms of area superiority, Omu will be. And Ubia will check Kamaru for their game plan. So I'm starting on my table from the flanks now and Yajuma. In the second half, I'm going for area balls. Players no more right and left, no cross ball, no. Making sure some players inside the 18-yard box, no, they'll be good inside the area. So if you go check why I first consider your second goal against Benin, a wrong positioning and awareness. The two center backs need to work. A keeper, they need to work. They need to be aware. And was someone making sure someone concentrated. They need to check their positioning very, very well inside the area. And you're very keeper. So your position is correct. So your awareness is correct. And can you consider that first goal against Benin? Into awareness is very, very key. Game now against Cameroon. And the coaching, the players need to be aware and technically they need to be up there. Into the defensive shape, okay. And you keep in our quest to win that particular game. The defensive shape. Say above 4-2-3-1. Say above 4-4-2. Say above 4-4-1-1. The shape of our defense, the midfield, and the attack should be spot on. And again, the goalkeeper needs to talk. I will say keeper the casa. Because Udina Park in this one, Park in the baby. It is a player in the year when also drawn attention. The player needs the wrong position. I want to also draw attention. The player needs a mistake here. When I bet him dinner year, I draw attention. Say this is the right place for you to be at the right time. To reach the phone, you are Jumaya or where Jumaya pa. Jonathan Mensah, he needs to bring his experience to bear because we are playing against an experienced side. It's also making sure as a leader at the back. On your branch, I spend the Kasum no Ken. I also much tell you money ye. You over for first balls, over for second balls. Sabon and I'm Feman first. Sabon and I'm Son first. The movement of Chipo Morten, Yom and Christian Basagog, they need to work so well to make sure that they will check the movement and the awareness of those players.
But they say Jabona, another one. Never know you players in between the bone, you know. That's the first game. Because born a baby do hold, never been out in the morning. Not up near slow. I did not come, I can't was, and I don't know. Born will be a touch at the 20 months of passing. Every single Ghanaian player. Okay, Sabonaba, one will be a one. then we move on. One move no be the amount no sa war passes and the ball echo. But obi age e ten e control as we pia.
Ke mo so ade ba ko mo nim se mo hate. Yetim no mani nyina o. Ana ke ya na mo rafi. O mani nyina na ke ya wakat den lata ko no bo. O mani nyina. Enti movement no ye de ahoden and your physique strength power.
Patemu is so me.
Ke me say na me yakra no ma yankra. O mani nyina. Enti eno so ka ho bi. E ya na e rafi e no. Say local game na nkomo ba kenke e beka. Nti e blaster la mo me yanka. O mani nyina. Enti quick free.
The moment we mo dey.
Ken.
Yeah, the moment.
Me say ken. Me nyakra. San ko fun me gina o mo ntan a woni mi no mani. Obi atem. Enti eno ne ka obi ne build up ne slow no. But me I don't have problem with the build up. My problem is intention ne kon. So here wa kasu na no.
And it's all build up on you slow. Easy the man team now na e say.
Obi defend
slow into o defend easy the man. So what you say? Se ball na nkontema. Obi age na obetene ba kwanse na wa pass. Obi age otwa no ho kakra anse na wa pass ya then man be different.
Kenti e build up ne slow a enipa a wo so ho ye ha on the foot. The right back, the left back, the number 8.
Okay. Yeah, because Nanesen and I crowd away ready. I muscle Nanesen. Maman fan to just a Golden Bay Hotel or Mother Roma, the live commentary neighbor. KRT say washing day. Dr. Menseba Clinic, Katrumaka Homa, a rural bank, Suffolk Electricals, at the Smart Farms Limited. Oh, ladies, Paul's bar. Also, a tasty queen, fast foods. I'm going to say, now, where and a B, a your phones and accessories. Oscar Mac, a boutique, a job by jewelry. Also, a GBY Roofing Company Limited. I check out Furniture West, where Kafan Ghana Limited, and Joe's Legal Agency. Muscle.
Yentua Jumedi so live on Silver 98.3, our headquarters in Yaha. And at the headquarters for AFCON 2019. We at the 32nd edition of the African Nations Cup. Squad Ningina Ewaha, you heard a live commentary at the Abrobe Biawubia, and Madagascar, the Burundi, and at the Aboini. Yankes and the Jumedi and Beko. So far, so very good. We are just under 1 minute. Ubia aim to make end twatna. Say, NTM, Rante away in Agency Akai, and my both teams. No. Oko Burundi, Abrante Jonathan Mahimana, Ono, and that post. Omar Ngande. One also so agent Frederick Insubiyuma, a branch Freno, Karim Inzigia Mana, and Christophe Indu, Gail Danoyi, a branch friend Gail Bigri Mana, also agent Fiston Abdul Razak, Sasna branch friend Shafri Nahimana, Cedric Amisi, and Sadio Barahino. Omo NAC Akai Eriama Burundi, Oko Madagascar for Femo Onswa, Omo Musia Akai Eye, a branch Adren Melvin, Ono and that post. Sasna Jerome Mombres, ono AC Akainibi, Roman Metaneri, ono so ebo, Thomas Fontaine, Adrian, a branch friend Adrian Nantenana, a Senate, ono so ewum, Pascal Razak Nantenana, ono so Adrian, a branch Lelena Nomanjanahara, ono so ebobi, Ibrahim Samuel Amada, Sasma Ibrahim Ilahi Tra, a branch friend Feva Ima Andrachima, any Charles Adrema Chotnoro, Omunina Adrian. Say, oh, share a dean party at the bottom of my TD and Madagascar, on my hands down. Bassania tell young Vessania, Jumedi and bit to me. Meanwhile, a free kick. Yababo Ediatia, Burundi. Burundi, Madagascar, Minano. Way almost first or maiden appearance, after no Mubabesia Kainibi. But so far, so very good. Madagascar, and the Silly National, able 2-2. Sasna Burundi, Omulusu Edma. The Super Eagles of Nigeria by a goal to nil. Now, Madagascar near Crabon, a branch of Jerome members, or born Aquanetti, your Chabon Nessim Tente my goalkeeper, Jonathan Mani Mana, impulse for Burundi, Abetibono. A branch of Noani Dine, who do really just in a chair, Razak Nano, watch on passing there. Your Chabon, dear sim, Burundi on the offensive at the moment. A branch of the girl, Denai, went to me and Fabon, born about 8 to my goalkeeper, Adran Melvin. Wachi bono Madagascar, watu bondi atuwa ya Brante, Jerome Mombres, Obetumi aboa, Jebondi Aba Center, the Ama Adrian Antanana, Anisent the bona kwetri, or the Akoma Brante Feno, Ibrahim Samoa Amada, Onuswe Chabon, Esi Bona Trust Center, like a crowd to play a throwing. Burundi Beto, Edietia, Madagascar, Wasi Munkum, Cedric Amisi, watu boni tente Madagascar for Beji, Burundi, Nekuta Bono. Omo pre ball Madagascar fa ball na Branton Lelena no Manjanahara. Wono we ball na kwetire. Ade akoma Thomas Fontaine. Fontaine then obetuma the ball na betire ba ko mienu. Burundi for na ball na Branton front. Fiston Abdulrazak so ma kwan. We the ball na rem ba ko mienu Resadio Barahino. Ono Estamo Siakama Stoke City. Yentoa Jumedi is still Burundi or the offensive daddy. Born or boy and Kobe Bia, her Madagascar player no. One star where you referee, Wabona Bay. Waji free kick. Eddie Amar Branto shed number 20. Roman Metanari. It's a Branto on the shed number 22 shed. Christophe Ndu. Wako Pimni FC form. Yabo just under 5 minutes. Still Obian to me shady. Live on Silver 98.3 FM. We air the 20th, the 32nd edition of the African Nations Cup. Burundi and Madagascar. Why any bit to me when the Burundi ne Krabono. Yatibone from him. Charles Adriana Chinoro. Obet me acquired a body quality of play to throwing. Roman Matanari on the ebe to a 2 born in 10. Burundi. Who have Burundi for now? Who's a born among Konkai? Because Nejis in Ayana and Nimuno number no Gukuno Sokaka. One more day, BB Sani. Your Chaboni, they say, Tebe Korean goalkeeper. Goalkeeper Jonathan Mahimana. What 2 born in the sim. End-to-end action. Born Abba. Madagascar for Femo. So I branch on the ball number 3. I have friend Roman Matanari. What pinball money call out of play. Pinball money call out of play. Why any bit to me I said first goal. Enge easy cry. Joe Legal Agency. So we hear legal advice. We hear lawyer mana bro contract. Bibia ope bia obetumi aboa eba legal we ni dia. Sanso and a Golden Bean Hotel. Hotels near what town in next so. And no buy no beyond to him be you know. The M1 cry 800 capacity conference hall. Utum the bed day ni bibia air koso. Yentoa Jumedi so. Burundi ne Krabono. With Jabon the across the right hand side. Omar Ngande Chabone so Resadio Barahino betumi akwana. Daddy went to me uncle. Emma goalkeeper Adrian Melvin. One way to me abeti ball. Ono to me abeti ball. Na a true ball. I had my branch here friend Sadio Barahino. But went to me uncle. Madagascar ne Crabo deep inside their own area. So a bobo no go hunumana cross it. Touchline to welcome throwing. Yebeto Edetia Madagascar. Weka ka president or no free. Nti omo qualify no be afis on na dey influence am o ma qualify but omo ba no mo sele national ball 2-2 no. Na go phone say dey be omo ni mbo. Yento adwumade no so Burundi daddy. Burundi for we mo ma ha Ghana mre bi abesen ko papa Burundi for. Ni e pe World Cup bia ko mo chie ko share wo Kigali na enye easy. Me wa ye cha branche. On the share number 6 shirt. Karim Nizigiri Mana Eddie Asho. So Bobo hunu even across the goal line. It's a welcome goal kick coming the way of the Malagasy. Ubio free Madagascar in front of Malagasy. Sa Edetie. Ubio Beka Madagascar and Madagascar in Obwa. Malagasy. Ye chap body the sim. Just after the center circle, when they between a ball, body out of play. No BB Samson Africa, they are then a ball, the Kakane call out, the park in Nissan and Sasa. A branch FN favor Ima Adrachima. One to see a camel toward the Sahel. One on air captain number 9, winning Papa. We are off for Bema Grow Edu. Sa Enetie, live on Silver 98.3. When in the best first goal, you see I can 7 minutes near still beyond to me shady. Burundi, Madagascar. Uti your mind dia gabaka so mo ball, but nebi bi asesa. Ya 2 ball in the sim. Madagascar for the crab. Charles Adriana Chinoro. Obetumi the ball na odi akwanechi. Odi ama Branch Ibrahim Elamant Natra.